I guess it's, again, nabanggit ko na to kanina, I think it's very important to do not compare yourself to others. Lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang unique ability. May kanya-kanya tayong uniqueness pagdating sa ganda, sa pangangatawan. Maaaring siya matangkad, pero alam mo ba kung mabango ang paa niya? Maaaring siya makinis, pero baka naman may mabahong katawan, may mabahong parte ng katawan niya, o baka masama ugali. I mean, it could be anything. For me kasi, never ako naging tipo ng tao na nangarap na, ay sana mukha ako ganito. Ay sana ganito ako. When I say embrace your imperfections, yung mga imperfections na yan, there's a reason behind it. Just look for that reason. You have a meaning in this life. And yung meaning mo sa buhay and yung time mo dito sa mundong to, wag mong sayangin kakakumpara sa ibang tao ng sarili mo. Kasi life is just unfair. World is just doesn't work that way. It's not a perfect world, but your imperfections makes you perfect. Your wisdom makes you perfect. Your maturity makes you perfect. Your mistakes makes you perfect because that's how you learn, that's how you grow, that's how you get your wisdom, and that's how you become kind at some point in life. And your kindness makes you beautiful. Again, hindi lahat ng beauty related sa ganda physically. Para sa akin, ang maganda talagang tao, yung may mabuting kalooban.